In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Evernote on the web. Whether you're wrapping up your day's work, switching accounts, or just want to ensure your notes are securely stored away, signing out of Evernote is a simple yet crucial task. Here's how you can do it effortlessly. To start, you'll need to be logged into your Evernote account on your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you're comfortable using. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the main interface, where you'll see all your notes, notebooks, and various menu options. But, to sign out, direct your attention to the top left corner of the page. In this upper section, you'll notice your name or email address prominently displayed. This is the focal point of your account information, providing access to various user-specific settings and actions. When you're ready, go ahead and click on your name or email. This action will bring up a small drop-down menu that offers several options related to your account. Within this drop-down, you should see an option labeled Sign Out. It might sound simple, but this step ensures your work is secure and your account remains private, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. By selecting Sign Out, you're effectively ending your current session. Once you click on Sign Out, Evernote will log you out of your account and redirect you to the login page. From here, you can either log in again with a different account if needed, or simply close the browser for additional security. It's a straightforward process, but it's also an important habit to foster, particularly if you often access your notes on multiple devices or in various locations. One quick tip to remember: if you're on a public or shared computer, it's a good practice to clear the browser's cache and history after logging out to ensure no lingering data could compromise your account. This adds an extra layer of security, protecting your notes and personal information from unwanted access. And there you have it. Logging out of Evernote on the web is done. It's a task that takes only moments but contributes significantly to securing your digital workspace. So, the next time you finish up your note-taking or research, remember these steps to log out safely and efficiently. This ensures your information remains secure, and you've successfully concluded your work with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your digital productivity experience.